Hello and welcome to 202 Cricket Court here in Cayce. This is a 2-bedroom, 2-bath home, fully fenced in, very nice layout inside, very large wood deck, and also an add-on in the master bedroom gives it a really nice feel. Let's go take a look inside the backyard. All right, we are now in the backyard. As you can see, it is fully fenced in and a pretty large deck as well. Also, you have your slide door right here that leads into the living room, and also you have a door that leads into the add-on portion that I mentioned earlier in the video, and that's attached to the master bedroom. Here is the remainder of the backyard. And also the other side. Also, you do have your other portion of the deck to where you can go out on the other side of the living room. So there's two entrances to the deck from the living room. All right, let's go take a look inside the home. Okay, we just entered the home. As soon as you come inside the home on the foyer, you have your laminate flooring right here. Very nice style right there. And also, if you go straight forward, that's the living room. And these are the slide doors that I mentioned earlier that you can go to the deck. You have your ceiling fan right here and also your fireplace. It is carpeted. And also you have pretty high ceilings in here as well. And right here you have your dining room area right off the kitchen. And also you have your sink and cabinets in the living room as well. And also some switches there you can plug some things in right there as well. All right, we're going to go ahead and make our way through the dining room to the kitchen. Also a very nice chandelier right there and a pretty nice view of the neighborhood right here. Coming to the kitchen, you have your smooth top stove right here by Whirlpool, and also you have your dishwasher from Whirlpool as well. Very nice cabinets. You have your granite countertops, and also your refrigerator is by Frigidaire. So you have your white cabinets in here. Gives it a really upscale feel. And back through here, we are at the front of the home, and we're going to go ahead and look at the bathroom, which is located right here on the right. Very nice and neat bathroom, very clean. You have your mirror right here. You also have your white cabinets right here. And then you have your toilet and your shower and tub combo. Coming out of the bathroom, to the right, you have your laundry room. Also, your breaker boxes in the laundry room. And then you have your washer and dryer connections right here. And right beside the laundry room, you have bedroom number 1, which looks out into the front yard of the neighborhood. You have your ceiling fan right here, a pretty large window, and it is carpeted as well. And then you have your closet space right there. So a pretty good sized room. And let's go ahead and take a look inside the closet. All right, and last we have our master bedroom, which is located right here, right beside bedroom number 1. Pretty large master bedroom. You have your ceiling fan right here. It is carpeted. And then you have your slide door that leads out into the extension right there, which we'll go ahead and take a look at right now. All right. You have some extra space right here. And then the door that leads to the deck that we came from earlier. All right, we're going to make our way back through here. And here you have your single vanity sink right here. Also a pretty good size mirror. And then you have your lights right there, also in your cabinet space. And then you have your tub and shower combo. And right across from the bathroom, you have your walk-in closet. All right, that concludes our video tour of this home. Very nice home located here in Cayce. Address is 202 Cricket Court, 2-bedroom, 2-bath home. For more information, you can go to our website, which is turnerproperties.com. If you have any questions, give us a call at the office. Number is 803-407-8522. Bye-bye.